What's up, guys? I'm Jason, this is the Freeburg Garage, and today we are doing a garage upgrade, and I'm stoked about it because I've been waiting for this bench to come in, not just because it's ordered, just time. I've been waiting a long time to actually get this one, and finally have got it in my garage. I'm working off my Husky table over here for quite some time. I've been working on my motorcycle lift for quite some time, and now it is time for an 8-foot table. That's what we're putting together, and I am stoked because this allows me to have more room for more activities, more engine builds, more bike builds. So let's get this thing open and check it out. All right, we're gonna slice this open with my real dull knife here. All right, so here's the deal. This table is extremely heavy as far as trying to lift it up by myself. It even says it takes 2 people. Well, we're gonna do it by myself, assembling this. Hopefully we can just balance it on one side or the other and get it done. Let's open it up. All right, so I had to flip the table over and get these 2 bars set up. I didn't feel like scratching it already on the ground, so I propped it up on the box. And then Home Depot gives you all of these nice bolts they go into, and they actually hook it up with the drill bit instead of a hand tool. So you just gotta get the power tool to go with it, but we're gonna run these all along here, get it situated. All right, let's get it done. Support's all secure, now we just gotta get the legs on. So one of the big features on this bench is that these legs are fully adjustable. They go all the way down to 20 inches and all the way up to 42 inches. All right, now we just got to install the adjustable feet. Now we're going to put our back supports and front supports on this. It should be all complete. The 8-foot Husky workbench all put together, and I'm stoked on how this thing came out. It fits perfect for the spot I needed over here. Gives me plenty of extra area to work. I put my motor out here, put some body parts out there, organize some parts that I need, and it doesn't clutter my other workbench and the height of it. So originally I had 42 inches on this workbench when I was building it. Got it up, it was way too tall, wanted to lower it, super simple, pulled the bolts on one side, then lowered it down to the other, and then it came out perfect to a 39.5 currently. And I'm 5'11", my other bench is a 38.25, so now I don't have to feel hunched over, and I have my workbench here that I can grab my stool with, sit down, buff, detail, whatever it is with the parts, and get it done. So guys, that about wraps for me on this one. I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell what you think. For those who have already subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.